The space facts we know today wouldn't be possible without the incredible efforts of devoted organizations like NASA. Since the dawn of the space age, science has come a long way, and their findings have ranged from mind-blowing to scary. With these NASA facts, you may have a better understanding of the organization behind these findings. Don't forget to hit that like button and click the bell icon for more updates. Here are 7 stunning facts discovered by NASA. Fact 1. Crab Nebula. This is a mosaic view of the Crab Nebula, a 6-light-year wide expanding relic of a star's supernova explosion captured by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. The orange filaments represent the star's shattered remnants, mainly hydrogen. The dynamo generating the nebula's eerie inner blue light is a swiftly spinning neutron star in its heart. Blue light is produced by electrons traveling at almost the speed of light along magnetic field lines emanating from the neutron star. Because of the neutron star's motion, it emits twin beams of radiation that seem to pulse 30 times per second. The crushed, ultra-dense core of an exploding star is a neutron star. The colors in the picture represent the various components ejected during the explosion. Blue represents neutral oxygen in the nebula's filaments, green represents singly ionized sulfur, and red represents doubly ionized oxygen. Fact 2. Huge eruptive prominence seen on Sun. The stereo satellite captured this stunning eruptive prominence in extreme UV light as it rocketed away from the Sun. This was undoubtedly one of the most prominent eruptions seen by the stereo or SOHO missions. The prominence extends almost halfway over the Sun, or around 500,000 kilometers. Cooler clouds of plasma float above the Sun's surface, held together by magnetic forces. They are notoriously unstable and often explode spectacularly, as this one did. Fact 3. 2 colliding galaxies. NASA's great observatories has shared a magnificent new picture of 2 colliding galaxies. These features were caused by tidal forces generated in the collision. The collision, which started over 100 million years ago and is ongoing, has resulted in the birth of millions of stars in galaxies' dust and gas clouds. The Chandra X-ray picture reveals massive clouds of heated interstellar gas infused with rich deposits of metals from supernova explosions. This enriched gas will be absorbed into future generations of stars and planets, including oxygen, iron, magnesium, and silicon. The image's brilliant, point-like sources are caused by material falling onto black holes and neutron stars, which are leftovers of massive stars. Some of these black holes may have masses about 100 times greater than the Sun. Fact 4. The Messier 66 Spiral Galaxy. M66, the biggest participant in the Leo triplet, has been photographed by Hubble. The unusual anatomy is most likely created by the gravitational attraction of the other 2 members of the triad. It is a unique spiral galaxy situated in the constellation Leo at a distance of around 35 million light-years. Messier 66, together with Messier 65 and NGC 3628, is a component of the Leo triplet, a trio of interacting spiral galaxies that is part of the larger Messier 66 group. Messier 66 is the largest of the triplets, measuring around 100,000 light-years wide. Fact 5. Saturn's Death Star/Pac-Man moon. The highest resolution temperature map and photos of Saturn's frozen moon Mimas taken by NASA's Cassini mission show startling patterns on the tiny moon's surface, including unexpected hotspots that resemble Pac-Man devouring dots and dramatic bands of light and dark in crater walls. The left side of this photograph depicts Mimas' invisible light, which has prompted analogies to the Star Wars Death Star. The new temperature map, which resembles the 1980s video game symbol Pac-Man, is on the right. Fact 6. Lightning in a bottle. The National Space Biomedical Research Institute, NSBRI, studied how long-duration spaceflight affects individuals from 1997 to 2017, according to funds from NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. One topic of study was light sources and how they influenced brain function. According to Lockley and Brainard's study, a person's body may go out of balance if exposed to too much blue light at the wrong moment. This occurred because particular wavelengths of blue light impeded the body's generation of melatonin, a critical hormone for maintaining circadian rhythms. When the space station's fluorescent lighting fixtures were to be replaced in 2011, NASA turned to the emerging area of solid-state light-emitting diodes, LEDs. In contrast to an incandescent bulb or fluorescent plasma, the term solid state implies that no physical reaction produces light. The results of the NSBRI study were crucial in the development of a new lighting system. Fact 7. The visible green comet. The comet was discovered in March 2022 when it passed through Jupiter's orbit. According to NASA, it's a long-period comet that originated from the Oort cloud, the most distant portion of Earth's solar system, and it's like a gigantic, thick-walled bubble comprised of frozen chunks of space debris that may grow to the size of mountains. This region's inner boundary is considered to be between 2,000 and 5,000 astronomical units from the Sun, or between 186 and 465 billion miles. This comet has undertaken once-in-a-lifetime journey to get near Earth. That's all for today. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Comment down below.